Ooh, say that again. Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It is day 2 of the birthday weekend turn up and we are all ready to head out. Woke up this morning and the fam woke up and everybody is good. We're all about to finish up getting ready. The lighting, I'm trying to get a good lighting. There we go. Finish up getting ready, but babe not in the frame now.
Yeah, she got a good lighting. So I'll carry nothing.
Mama!
Yes.
Shaking.
So take him up. We're about to head out. We are heading to another country today. We're going to Italy. We might go to 3 countries in one day. France, Italy, and Monaco. Let's see if we'll accomplish that. But today should be a good day. Yes, Tyler? My bestie's getting ready. Her boo-boo is getting ready. Tyler is here with his ass up in the air. And my handsome man is here just chilling. So anyway, you guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a fish.
Once I caught a fish alive.
Fish alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Once I caught a fish alive. Anyway, you guys, we are heading out to the car right now to head on our journey. So we'll see you guys on our way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Once I caught a fish alive.
1,
You guys. You guys, after a few mishaps on our way, we're in Italy. Yeah.
Welcome to Italy.
Yes.
Everybody.
That's what goodbye is in Italy. You want to start to the friends? We're almost there. In 5 minutes you get out, okay? Okay? You guys, we took more than twice the amount of time to reach here in comparison to what we would normally take, because there was some kind of accident or some closure of the usual highway that we normally take. But we took a longer route and we are here, so that's all that matters. Yes. So we're going to
We're gonna get some food.
we're hungry.
Mingle,
Oh
sightseeing.
Yeah.
So we'll keep you updated.
Yes. Well, Shan can vlog, man. Hey.
Yeah.
Shan vlogging
I
is
learned
a
from the
natural. This is Shan vlogging. I love it. Anyway, you guys, we're almost there. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. Oh, look at that view. I'm catching it. That's pretty.
Yes, beautiful.
Yep.
Maybe they do
Say too hard, let Tyler hear you.
pizza and pasta.
The boys are around the front.
Hi, boys.
They're not paying attention. See face, dear. You guys, let me give you a joke what Tyler said to us today and yesterday. Tyler saw Babe and Tony walking, and Tyler looked at us and said, Mama, there is 2, Papa. And then he saw me and Shani, let's say, Mama, there is 2, Mama. That's hilarious. My boy is smart.
Yeah.
That man tell you. You see how the palm trees look Caribbean like? It does make
Yeah.
it feels tropical.
So nice.
No. Only the sun is good, shawty. We want sun, nothing except sun. We're in Italy, say Italy everybody. Look, guys, say Italy now.
Italy.
Yes, yes.
You look like
You guys
old
are
town, so
here.
there should be some
We're
stuff
here.
here.
Down there look more enticing. We leave the old town for after.
So along
The old town look very old right now. Along the beach first, so we're gonna find food, you guys. We hungry, shawty. We hungry. The river dirty. The river dirty. Look at that view. So pretty. Shan taking videos on her phone. Yes. Wow. And the balls are done there. So pretty. I smell food. It's smelling nothing. We smell food, shot. Smell food, smell food. Eat the food, food.
I'm almost there to you.
Come,
I'm almost there.
come, that's dirty. Give me a hand.
That's dirty.
Don't wipe your hand on your clothes. Come. That's the name of the city that we're in.
Yeah.
Bordighera. They're gonna leave us. Ah, come, Shan. Ah. Yeah, I see sun red. So we found a spot for lunch. We're gonna go here. It looks so pretty. Wait, who's that? Hey, hey.
He was
They're excited that they're in Italy. Look at them. Yes. And that's our lunch view, you guys. Our lunch view is right by the road. And we're gonna grab it. These babies drinking wine. Okay, good. And we get starters. We get bread and cheese and bruschetta with cheese.
No, I mean this.
Like garlic bread.
This is Moscato.
She gonna bring yours, I think.
I find something.
Tyler, what is that? What is it?
It's a chicken.
Yeah. Mayonnaise and barbecue and your favorite. What? Lemon?
That's like
You eat that like a boss. Lunch, I'm having shrimp and fries. That's my lunch. That's Tyler. That's eating. That's Shan. Tony's grabbing. Grab time. You guys, let me tell you about this restaurant we just had lunch. Never go there. I'm going to tell you what its name. What is the name of the restaurant, Chanel?
I don't even remember.
You guys, that restaurant was a mess. The service was a mess. The food was okay, was so-so. Tyler, how was your food? How was your food? How was your food, Ty? Oh, picture pause. Tyler fries was the best thing and Tyler chicken. First impression, I guess last, but how was Tyler come? The restaurant, no, giving it a 1.5 star. 1.5 star because one, Tyler fries taste nice, and two, oh, the view half and the wine, so everything add up to 1.5 star. But if you're in Italy, don't go to that restaurant. The service wasn't cute, but anyway, we're enjoying the view. You stop and stop. Go, 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 go. Papa won't come back to help you. Help yourself. Come. So we're enjoying the view around the restaurant right now and just scrolling and having a good time. Of Italy in these little walkways. Hey, you find a horsey? Hold on tight. Whoa!
Take a video.
Hurry, cause it's only 1 minute him have. Yes.
Go on. Go on.
Hit the horsey. Hit the horsey. Hit the horsey like this time. Hit him. Tell us a hee. He likes that. The
Sir.
La 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 la.
Can wait on you.
I forget my bike. I want a picture right on this bike. It looks cool.
A bike.
Okay.
All right, enough. You guys, we're in the city, the same city, and it's after 3 p.m. and this is how quiet and dead the city is. My voice is literally echoing. Hello? Hello? Anybody here? We're the only persons in the city. My gosh. It's so quiet. Anyway, you guys, I think this is it for Italy, but I also want to say a big happy birthday to my sister. Look at my hair pulling out. Today is also my sister's birthday. My sister's birthday is on the 15th of September and my birthday is on the 16th of September. Yes, Stella? Right. So happy birthday, sis. I love you and I know that you'll have a good day. Yeah, so I just want to send you lots of love on your birthday. We love you. You guys, we are now in Monaco, 3 countries in one day. We are tired, but we're enjoying it. See that view behind me? Monaco beauty, honey. Monaco! He's waving to the camera.
This is the palace.
Kitchen again.
Nothing is good.
Okay.
What's that?
That look like some kind of garlic bread. It tastes good.